What's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Maha, and this channel is geared a lot towards this Infiniti 3.7 Q50 build we currently got going on, as well as next to that car over there we have a 1966 Mustang Coupe with 29 3-speed manual. So if you're into any of those two type of cars, man, cars in general, go ahead, hit that subscription button, drop a comment, and hit that like button so you can push your algorithm to other, people that like car content, Infiniti content, Mustang content. But yeah, man, with that being said, today I actually got a few things I want to go over real quick before I start the video. Finally got our black Miami Heat license plate, the Maha. We official now. But yeah, man, I've been waiting a hot minute for that. Took about almost 2 months, basically 2 months to get that in. But I feel like that, sets off the rear a lot more aggressive going along. Excuse the cars are very dirty right now. I'm gonna wash it a little later after I finish the install. We did do the medium smoke taillights. Still see the red, but it's pretty dark. I don't know, I just feel like it was a little too much red going on in the back, so nice little aggressive, kind of murdered out look in the back here. But I'm keeping the exhaust tips chrome, and then I was debating if I wanted to do the emblem blacked out, but I feel like that'll be a little too much going on. So small hints of chrome here and there, I think it sets off the rear a little nicely. But yeah, man, so today, as you can tell by the title, finally got some paddle shifters in, man. This even took about a month to come into, because this came, to tell you straight up, bought it for eBay. Link down in the description below, but I bought it straight from China. But yeah, man, legit carbon fiber paddles. Got the plus and minus on the other side. I guess this is like a little extension for the wiring. I don't believe I need this because your cars already come, our cars from 2014 to 2015, I believe, come already pre-wired from factory. All you gotta do is just take apart the little tape and foam, pull it back, and reveal the connections, and then it's supposed to just connect right here on this little port right here, and then bolt it up. Now the kit came with everything. It came with the shifters, it came with this little wiring, it came with obviously the other shifter, all the plastic parts, all the things you need to install, but it did not come with the hardware, the bolts. So shout out to Speed Culture Studios. He had the parts number down in the description below and of his install video, so I used that. I went to AutoZone, and the manager over there helped me out. He tried to match up as best he can to the bolts and the nuts. These didn't have the built-in washers, so I did have to buy washers separately. Hopefully these will work. If they do work, I'll post them down in the description below. Another alternative if you don't have the bolts and the nuts for this install. But you're definitely gonna need these, because these are gonna mount it and keep it in place on the steering column behind the plastic. So you definitely need these. Wiring, okay, like I said, I don't think we're gonna need this. And the plastic shrouds, with the cutouts and everything. I would suggest you spend the money and get the actual proper shroud. Don't cut into your OEM plastic steering column. That's just me, but I would again recommend just spend the money and get the kit. And yeah, but it shouldn't be too hard. Watch some other couple videos, so I got an idea of what we got to do. Just a couple bolts, couple wires, and bolt it back up. So let's get straight to the install, man. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is start your car, so you'll be able to turn your steering wheel a little easier, rather than have to struggle with the car off. I'll take the AC off so y'all can hear me. But yeah, so first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna turn the wheel to the right. Take this clip out, this cover, small little cover. Same thing on the other side. Same thing on the other side here. Pop these out. Let's take a little flathead. You can even probably, it literally comes out with your finger, so you even need a flathead or anything. Just use your fingernail or whatever, fingers, get behind there and just pop it out. Make sure you got a little box or something to keep all the parts that you're taking out, so you know where they are. You're not fighting for them. You're not fighting to look for them, hunt for them down. Again, this one comes out easier too. Then you're gonna reveal one Phillip head on each side, left and right. Take those apart, and then I believe there's another Phillip head under the column here to drop this bottom part. So let's get that done real quick and then get back. All right, now after you get those bolts out, those screws, 2 screws, 3 screws, one here, one on the bottom. Let's go and fight and try to separate the top from the bottom of the plastic here, right here. Partially got this side of here, but I'm gonna get it apart. All right, so the best way is to try to get a small, little, very fine flathead. Get up here and try to pry it up slowly. Get to the back here, get to the front here, and then it'll start popping off. Once you get that one side, then the other side will be easier. All right, before I move any further, make sure that the bolts and the nuts do fit this thread right here, and then the bolt goes into here too, and they both fit, thank God. So I'll drop the numbers you could buy, the part number of the bolts. Y'all could go on either Autozone, any kind of car parts store, and they should have it. So I'll drop on the description below if you don't feel like going to the dealer, which I really wasn't trying to go to the dealer today too, because it's kind of like maybe 30 minutes driving going and coming, especially all this traffic. But yeah, man, so now next we're gonna do take apart this bottom part here. Should be easy, should just be clipped on from the videos I've seen. Yeah, there we go. Get the other side here. So here's the comparison from the old one to the new one. All right, so to get this on the left side and the right side, make sure you turn the wheel all the way to the left to get clearance to get it through this that stud right here. Because if you don't, you're gonna have, you might think, oh no, they sent me the wrong part. No, just make sure you turn it enough to where you get that clearance, get it seated on there, turn it back, and you're Gucci. So now what we gotta do is just make sure we got those bolts and nut nice there and tight. Test it out. And pro tip, make sure you do install the wire connector first before mounting it back on here, because wire is kind of short. So make life a little easier, get it on there first, and then mount it on to the steering column. So let's get it on. Take your time, get it lined up. Let's hand tighten it first. And you get a 10 mil. Like I said, it's supposed to come there together, but I had to buy it separately. So I went to AutoZone, got this washer on, 10mm bolt on. Now again, turn here, tighten, and then tighten this one. Not too crazy, but just enough to where it's solid. Alright man, so 10 mil on this side. You're gonna need an extension to get through over here. So no medium extension, a small extension here. Connect it here again, turn here, and then carefully tighten that bolt over there. But yeah man, so the left side is on. I'm gonna get the right side on. Same thing, same process for the right side. So I'm gonna skip that part, and then I'm gonna get to the shroud part again. And again, the wires are gonna be tucked under this sponge thing here. So it was on the other side over there, and this is on the right side. Not this one closer to the steering wheel. This one I believe is for your, if you want to add power steering to your Q. But this is the connector we need, the smaller one, a smaller, it was like 4-pin connector. So same thing like we did on the side. We're just gonna pop this in, get those two nut and bolt on there, and then get to installing back the plastic parts. Oh yeah, this looks so good, guys, man. And especially to match, I did the regular carbon just to go flow. I am gonna be doing the steering wheel later on, and I did decide, not gonna tell you what I decided on, but drop a comment down below which one y'all think I decided on. I had last couple of videos back, I did a poll, either the one with the LED carbon red stitching or just a regular carbon with the red stitching. So again, Let me know which one y'all think I got. But yeah, man, I'm loving these. They feel nice. Up and down shifting. Nice way to test too. Make sure they're good is pull it down. Manual mode. If it beeps, you try to upshift, that means it's good. And we're good. Gucci. So now I think the hardest part now is just probably getting the plastic parts back on. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, so for the top plastic Shroud piece, that sets over like this. When you pull it back, you're gonna see clips in these holes right here. Some other videos they pull apart, pull this up, and then actual cover for the dash, the speedometer, and then they pull it out. I did a different way, so all we need is a plastic part because this part needs to stay on there too. So what I did was just start this corner here, lift it up a little bit. Again, be careful, and then once you get one clip, you get all of them, and they come out pretty easily. So now this is standing here. So now we're gonna take the new top cover and get it on there. Then we're gonna get this side here, the right side cover piece for here, and we should be done. And there we go, y'all. Paddle shifters, carbon fiber paddle shifters. Link will be down in the description below if y'all want to get the same ones. The seller actually does have a good amount of color options. We're gonna do red. I think I've seen like red, blue, a bunch of different colors, man. They got the regular carbon, they got forged carbon, they got the forged red carbon, forged blue carbon. I didn't go with the forged because I already have regular carbon going on in here, so I was planning to do the carbon fiber stereo as well, so I want everything to flow nicely into the interior. But yeah, man, so now I'm gonna take a little drive just to make sure everything is working out perfectly. But yeah, man, definitely recommend these power shifters or power shifters in general, man. If your Q doesn't have it, just keep in mind 14 to 15 Qs have it. Some 2016 Qs have it, but I believe 2017 and up are the iffy ones, maybe that don't have it at all. I do believe there is a harness that you can buy separately that can allow you to use the power shifters, but you know, you have to do a little more research on that. But yeah, man, I mean, I definitely loving it right now. Again, thank y'all for watching. If y'all you know, made this far in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. We creeping up on 1,000 subscribers, so appreciate each and every one of y'all and all the new subscribers and comments, good or bad. You know, they all welcome, man, helping me get that engagement to keep pushing. But yeah, man, and one more quick announcement. My car did get accepted to Turner Evo in Miami, the Miami Beach Convention Center. So I will be out there with a few of my other Q50 buddies, and just a couple of buddies in general that don't have Q50s, but they're local to me. So if you see me out there, say what's up. Take a picture, tag my car on Instagram, tag me in the stories. I'll shout you out, you know, I'll repost you. You know, I like to help my supporters out as well, man. So again, Tuner Evo, December 17th, Saturday, December 17th, I'll be out there. Again, say what's up, take pictures, holla at your boy. With that being said, I'm out. Peace.